Hi everybody, I am on the different side of my phone today, so it's not going to be the best video ever. I'm sorry if it's the worst. But I'm doing a video of all my cats, which I have 6 of them, so let's get with the video. So this cat right here is Abby. It's actually a boy, so we call him Abby Doozer, so yeah. You're in my video. So that was Abby. This one walking here is my Bella. Bye-bye. This is Bella. That's Bella. She hates me half to death. Then this cat right here is Jade. She's actually very tiny. Come here, Jade. No, Jade. No, Jade. Okay, no. Oh, Logan's still here, so. Hi. So we have to find another cat, which they're probably both upstairs. So we'll be going. I know. Yep. I'm forgetting a cat down here. I won't get you in the video. I need to get Salem in the video. It's an animal video. Now that is Salem. Let me be friends, baby, let me in. That one's Charcoal. That one's Mr. Whispers. You can't really see him right now. Mr. Whispers. Yeah. So those are all my cats. I'm upstairs and I have someone named me. So sorry, but you can't hear me right now. So I'm going back downstairs. You may be able to tell that I'm looking down. Okay, so that was the cat video. So I'm going to say this with Logan. So let's do this. We love you so much. Bye.